So we have our catcher rotisserie, we have our barbecue pit, it's all lit, and we're bringing it up to that temperature where we're going to put in our chicken. And today's menu, rotisserie chicken, 2 styles. Follow me. So right now we're at 400 degrees. We want to try and keep it at that, maintain that temperature so that it will cook all the way through to the bone. So it's about 20 minutes in. We're just checking. Nice color coming in here. You will see the tightness of the skin. Good going. Whoa, perfect. And that is great color. Lovely. And that's all about the time that we need actually. Let's take them out. So you may want to use some rubber gloves. Put it in our dish and we're going to leave it set for a while. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you think it looks dry, if you think it looks moist, but I'm telling you for sure it was moist. Just the ideal amount of time for these 2 chickens. It was approximately 3.5 pounds to 4 pounds each, and it was between 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 20 minutes. 2 styles chicken, Turkish seasoning and regular green seasoning. Here you go, Naeem.
Thank you.
Did you get rotisserie chicken?
Yes, I did.
How was it?
Real good.
Whoa. Subscribe, share and follow. Catch you on the next one.